Hey guys, my name is Lee again here with Chemtech Scientific, and what we're going to show you here today is how you do a belt alignment on the a belt alignment, and also the tension on how much play you should have on the belt. So basically the belt comes off very simple. You just pull it towards you, turn the pulley, it comes right off. Okay. Normally when you do a belt alignment or changing a belt on one of these pumps, you're going to have this piece here, which is the back part of the belt guard. This goes behind all of this. So basically there's an Allen screw behind this pulley and an Allen key on the back of this pulley. You pull them both off. This just slides in, gets fastened with 4 bolts here. You tighten them up. There is no adjustment of that because it's already centered. So we took it off today just to show you so that you can have a better view on how to adjust the belt. So when you go change your belt, like I said, you take the old one off and you're going to take the belt, you're going to put it on the motor part first. You bring it over the top here, and all you do is you turn the pulley and the belt pops in place. So now you have this play. How much play should you have in this motor? I will show you. What I do is I pull the motor back, okay, so that I can tighten it up a little bit. And what I do is I take a magic marker and I scribe where my motor is back here. Okay? I put a mark where the motor is going to go. Then what I do is I take my pulley and I take my belt off again, okay? And I bring the motor back. Just make sure you loosen these up pretty good, because if you don't loosen them up too good, it kind of jams up on you, like this one did. But it's no big issue. All you do is you loosen up your 4 screws that are holding the motor in place until you have play where you can move the motor back and forth. And you move it to the mark where you marked with the magic marker, okay? And what you do is you take your wrench and you tighten the 2 easiest bolts to get to, which are the ones out here on the outside of the motor. You tighten them up. You don't have to crank down on them because they're not going to go anywhere. You're just going to give it a snug fit. Then you're going to take your pulley, your belt, and you're going to put your belt the same way I did before, right over the top. Take it and turn it, and it pops in place. Then you can see, this is, in the video, you should have about a 1/4 inch of play on this belt, okay? Now, there is also an alignment. This pulley needs to be aligned with this pulley. It's very simple. You take a straight edge. Here's a big straight edge that I have that I use on all the pumps. You put it on the pulley and you put it on the other pulley, and they should line up perfect. That's how you get your alignment from pulley to pulley, so that these grooves are perfectly in line so it doesn't eat up your belt. So that concludes the belt replacement and alignment of a Welch belt drive pump. That goes for the 1402s, the 1405s, the 1400s, the 1397s, and also the 1374s.